Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back at you with another awesome video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful weight loss drink that's going to help to burn at least 10 pounds of that weight off in 7 days. If you implement this smoothie in your everyday morning routine, and you can also make it maybe another time during the day before you go to bed or so, or maybe even for lunch. But if you implement this smoothie along with a light meal plan, you're going to see some significant results in your body. Now let's get through some of these ingredients you're going to need for this video. Don't need that. Okay, so you're going to need some parsley. Now this is about maybe a quarter cup. Okay, 1/4 cup. You're also going to need 2 cloves of garlic. Okay. Also going to need a few mint leaves. I would say about maybe 8 mint leaves. Okay. You're also going to need a lime. If you don't have a lemon, if you don't have a lime, you can use lemons. You're also going to need some cucumbers. Now this one looks a little sus, but it's going bad, so I want to get it before it gets bad. But you're going to need 1 whole cucumber. Alright. You're also going to need some ginger. Now this is what I've been doing lately with my ginger. I've been blending it and making a paste so that it will last longer. Okay, so I made a paste. It's also easier to share the portions. Also, you're going to need some organic honey. Alright, so let's start off right now. As you can see with our ingredients, we're not using water. Although if you choose, you can put a cup of water in this smoothie if you desire. I want it potent, so I'm not using any type of water or liquids. The liquids I'm going to get today is going to come straight from my cucumbers. So we're going to take our parsley and just pop that inside our blender, in our blender cup. Next, you're going to take your garlic cloves and you're just going to cut those into big pieces. We're also going to pop our mint leaves into our cup. Next, we're going to take our cucumber. Pray for my cucumber, y'all. And then you're just going to chop your cucumbers into pieces. Now, if you have a full-size blender, you don't have to worry about the size. But being that I'm working with my personal, I got to cut these up small to fit. Okay, with my cucumber, I'm just going to cut the good part and leave the bad part because it is spoiling. So we're going to get rid of that. Alright, next we're going to take our lime and we're just going to squeeze the juice of our lime. Let me get my squeezer. We're going to just squeeze the juice of our lime into our blender cup. But if you choose, you want this even more stronger, you can actually cut the meat out of the lime like we've been doing in some of our other videos. And just use the meat part after you squeezed out the juice. And lastly, I'm going to put in, for this actually, I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of my ginger, my shredded ginger. Okay, 2 teaspoons of my ginger in there. Okay, now you can do this step now or you can do it afterwards, but I'm going to do it now because I want everything in my blender cup. But I'm going to put in a teaspoon of my organic honey. Okay, that's about a teaspoon. And now we're just going to wrap this up and blend it down. Alrighty. Okay, so now I'm gonna just pour it into my favorite mug. And you see, it has the right consistency just from the cucumbers alone. So now we're just gonna pop our straw in there and voila. Your fat burning smoothie. Like I said, you're gonna drink this in the morning. You can use this as a meal replacement, or 20 minutes afterwards you can have a light breakfast. Okay, and you can implement this even throughout the day. If you choose you want to have this in the middle of the day as a snack, yes you can, or even as a dinner if you're not really hungry but you want to put some substance in your stomach. This is a wonderful smoothie to make that's healthy, and you're gonna taste the garlic. So I'm not even gonna lie to you, you will taste the garlic. So if you're not a fan of garlic, this smoothie may not be your friend. But this is wonderful for bringing down your blood pressure. This is wonderful for weight loss, as well as other wonderful benefits. Okay, so thank you again for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thumbs up this video. Hit that like button so this way I will see that you want to see more of these types of videos. And also check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where I do hair care, skin care, as well as fashion hauls and family challenges on that channel. And if you want to know where to find these wonderful silver straws, these metal straws, as well as the NUTRIBULLET full-size blender and the personal blender, well, check down below in the links that I provided for those wonderful things, as well as other stuff. Okay, and thank you again, you guys. Don't forget, I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.